Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm very glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous video, I really invite you to go to the channel and check it out because we're doing multiple videos on a software called Creatify. Creatify is a software that allows you to do a bunch of stuff and it's aimed at creating engaging ad videos for enterprises, or we're gonna dive deeper into some of the other tools that the software has to offer. As always, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen much better. So see you guys in the end. So in the previous video, we were checking out this option right here that is called AI video ads. It was with this tool that I show you how to create a video using a URL. Once again, if you haven't checked out that video, I really invite you to do so you can get up to speed with how the software works. But today we're gonna be using this other tool right here on the bottom, a new tool called Product Video, in which you can create a video using just a single image of a product. As you see right off the bat, it says that you can turn any product image into a stunning video and that you can instantly transform product images into cinematic product shots or avatar videos. Right here on the left, there is the part where you can upload your image or drag and drop it. Then you can select a type for you to create the video, and then you can select different blending models for your video to come out exactly how you want it to be. There are also some video templates that you can pick out from. First of all, we're gonna upload an image. I'm gonna be using an image of an iPhone 16. This is the image that I'm gonna be using. It is important that the image is in high quality, so the software can do a better job using the image. Right here, you can select a type, a product shot, avatar showcase, or talking video. I'm gonna leave it in product shot, and you can select in which setting you want your product to be. The example right here is cosmetic on a marble vanity with morning light. But since we're using an iPhone, let's say that on a desk with a lamp. After you write a short description, you can pick the format of the final video. You can have it portrait if you're aiming for short format videos such as Instagram or TikTok. You can have it in landscape mode if you want a longer format, let's say YouTube, or you can choose a square format that it can match all of the above. You can pick the auto match tool, or you can pick from these lighting conditions, for example, a studio, outdoor, luxury, cozy, modern, romantic, industrial, or beauty. Let's see what auto match does. Or you could also upload a reference image for the software to emulate that style to create your product ad video. Finally, as I was just telling you, you can select from 3 different models. I'm gonna leave it in Smart Blend, and let's click on Generate Preview Image and see what the software does. So these are the 2 product shots that the software creates. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is a bit more close-up, and this has more stuff on the desk that we can see right here. If we click on either of the options, we can describe if we want to change something from the product image. And then we can select this button that says AI Generate Video. I'm gonna pick this second option because I think it looks a bit more refined. Right here on this option, we can describe what the scene would be or the preferred style. And I'm gonna be using the same example that the software has right there, spinning the product. Once again, we can pick this option that says Auto Match, or we can pick from these other panning options, zoom in, zoom out, glide right, glide left, or crane down. I think I like this one better, the crane down option. Then you can pick how long the video is going to be, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. If we go right here to formats, we can pick from image or video. If we select video, the software says that it's going to take some 10 minutes to create the first video. So we could try once again while this generates and see another option for the software and for our product. Let's say that we want to use the same image, but we want to use some templates like these ones that we're seeing right here. We can click on this option to change the template. If we click on the play button, we see a preview of each template. Let's say that I want to use this one, so I click on use this template. We can pick the heading that is going to appear on the video, the person that supposedly said this phrase. I'm just gonna write my name, and let's click on generate. As you see right here, you don't need to sit around and wait for the software to complete your video because they'll notify you to your email when the video is done. And our first video is already done. Let's check it out. As you see, it's a pretty short and concise video. The iPhone is slowly rotating so we can see a different side of the product. And once again, we can update, remove, or include something. So this is the video that was created with the template. Let's check that one out. As you see, it added the phrase, it rotated the phone. The rotation was not that natural, let's say, but it added what we wanted to add. And it added music, something that the other video didn't have. And if we go to our projects tab right here, we can click these three dots and click on edit. And on this part right here, we can change how the final video is gonna be looking like. We can, for example, change the music. If we go to the library down here, let's say that we wanna pick this other music. So we just go to this one, we delete it, and then we drag and drop the new one right here. This editor has an interface that is pretty much the same as other editors out there, like Final Cut or Premiere Pro. So it's really easy to get a handle of. Right here we have some other options for the music. We can adjust the volume, the fade in or fade out of the music. We can add text to our video as well. We could add call to actions as well at the end of the video, so our product gets more sales. We could also add more clips using this plus sign right here. If we add one right now, it's just going to be blank, but we could add pictures or we could add scenes using these options right here, using the avatar, for example. Let's go back to the tool once again, and let's choose an avatar showcase for this new example. Let's say that we want our model to be using the phone. This is the avatar that the software is telling us to use. Let's click on generate video. We can once again add a short description. So let's check out the new video. This is the short video that the software created. The model is using the phone as I instructed it to do. We can change how the product is used using these other expressions right here. And we could add, for example, a longer description if we want to show the logo of our product and use specific colors that match our brand. Let's generate this one, for example, with the new colors. Let's make this one 10 seconds. This is the other image that the software produced. As you see, it extracted the logo of our iPhone on the background. Let's create this one as well as a last video for this tutorial. And let's say model looks happy with phone in hand and shows it to the camera. And let's wait for these two to be rendered. Let's check out the first one. As you see, the software did exactly what I wanted it to do. It showed our logo, it showed our brand colors. Let's say that for this example is purple, and the model showed the product for the camera, looking happy as I wrote in the description. And let's check the other one. This one is a bit more abstract, the two phones merged together, but it added the colors that we wanted for our brand, and it added the model as well. That is pretty much it, how you create a product video using just one image. As you see, the software has a lot of templates already uploaded, a lot of avatars and a lot of tools that you can use to personalize the video and for it to come out exactly how you want it to be. You could also add a bunch of assets and add music from the library to get the video that you want. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. If you want to use this paid version of the software, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I really invite you to do so you don't miss out any of the tutorials we have uploaded and that we're going to upload. And without further ado, see you on the next video that is going to be diving deeper in some other tools that Creatify has to offer. Thank you for being here and see you on the next one. Bye bye.